Hello, teacher. Good night. My name is Caterine Garzón. You hope how much these dicks tap toes. Today, I went to my favorite store to see the new collection. There were many beautiful things. I like a jacket that costs me $150. Then I look at a bag that costs me $50. Then I look at some shoes that cost me $200. Then I look at a shirt that costs me $30. And finally, I look at a red dress that costs me $60. I really like the things I bought at my favorite store. Thank you. Bye-bye.